See lots of muscular dudes sitting over there. Wonderful, man. Like with t-shirts, 3 sizes too small for your body. It's good to have people from Andheri. It means you made the drive. Well done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how many people are happy? Clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. How many people are really, really happy? Clap your hands. If you're really, really happy, clap your hands. Very, very good, buddy. How many people are annoyed to death by those ridiculously happy people? Clap your hands right now. You know these happy people who have their shit together and they have like nice savings accounts and they have good jobs and they have a dentist on call and they pay income tax and just settled people. And when you come from cities like Delhi and from Noida, when I moved to Bombay, you see these happy people who have their shit together and they piss you off. Make some noise if they piss you off, right? And I want to tell you something, those happy people have bigger problems than you and I would ever imagine. We're going to do a song for those happy people right now. When I scream, so you happy people, you are going to scream, please fuck off. Let's try it. Kesa, give me a note. So you happy people, please fuck off. Let's try it again. So you happy people, come on, give me some Bombay feel. So you happy people, you happy people, you happy people. Once more louder. Here we go, man. This song goes out to all the happy people in the world. Please go and fuck yourself. Happy people all around, never ever getting down. Happier than me and you. They don't have a fucking clue, cause you don't know about your cheating spouse. You got a dirty gardening inside your house. Your business partner has stolen half your cash. Your husband banged in Bangkok and he got that crash. Deny you will only keep you happy for a while. So you're happy people, you're happy people, you're happy people, you're happy people. Gorgeous children, really cool. House with porch and swimming pool. Swimming pool, your son is jacking off. Daughter Potter, that's why she called. Your stupid son got diagnosed with ADD. In the school they call your son attention safari. And your daughter not a virgin now for many years. Soon she got to college, get a nipple pierced. Deny you will only keep you happy for a while. Come on, so you're happy people, you're happy people, you're happy people, you're happy people. House on Colaba, Marine Drive, Gymkhana Club was having nights. But when the big tsunami comes, these people are the first to die. Maybe live in Delhi in a bungalow, sexy pretty ladies in the metro. When you go outside, everyone has gone. Shoot you and say jump on mirror pop and gone. Deny you will only keep you happy for a while. Let me hear you, Mumbai. So you're happy people, you're happy people, you're happy people, you're happy people. Sing it now. Say fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Everybody in the world can fuck off. You and you and you all can fuck off. Say fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.